So dear children, as we had already started chapter 11, Climate of India. So in that chapter, we have already discussed about what is weather, what is climate, and what are the different factors which affects climate, and what are the three main seasons of India. Yes, the number one is the summer season, the number two is the rainy season, and number three is the winter season. So today we are going to start the winter season. Yes, the winter season. So dear children, by the end of October, yes, by the end of the October, the days begin to get shorter. Yes, the days begin to get shorter and the nights become longer. Yes, and the nights become longer. Or in another words, we can also say that during winters, yes, during winters, the days are shorter or the nights are longer. Okay, during winters, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. And by the end of the October, by the end of the October, days begin to get shorter and the nights become longer. And the rays of the sun, yes, during winters, the rays of the sun, it get inclined. It get inclined. Why the rays of the sun gets inclined? Because inclined means vertically and horizontally. The rays of the sun, yes, get inclined. The rays of the sun get inclined. It can be horizontally and it can be vertically. So as a result, the air starts getting cool. Yes, in the winter season, the air starts getting cool, and this marks the beginning of the winter. Okay, and this is the beginning of a winter because the air starts getting cool and the rays of the sun get inclined. The rays of the sun get inclined. It may be horizontal, it may be vertical. Okay, and this marks the beginning of the winter. So dear children, what are the winter months in India? Yes, the winter season lasts from November. Yes, it starts from, you can say that what are the winter months? November, January, November, December, and January. Okay, these are the main winter months. Okay, November, December, and January. The winter season, yes, it lasts from November to February every year. Okay, we can also say that November, December, January, and February. Okay, okay, it starts from November, okay, and continues up to February. So the winter season lasts from November to February every year, and there is a very much heavy rainfall in the northern mountains. Okay, so dear students, as you know that in the northern mountains during winters, okay, there is a heavy snowfall. Snow covered mountains are there because the northern plains experience cold winters, and January is the coldest month in the northern plains. Yes, we can say that January is the coldest month of the northern plains. Okay, it is known as the coldest month, and which is the hottest month? I told you earlier, which is the hottest month of the summer season in India? Yes, June. June is the hottest month and January is the coldest month of northern India. And you can say that in the western desert, we can take the example, in the western desert, days are very much pleasant. during winters. Okay, we are talking about the winters. And in the western desert, days are very much pleasant, and the night, but the nights are very very cold. And the southern India experiences moderate winter. Okay, we can say that southern part of India, it experiences moderate winter. And the Coromandel coast in the eastern coastal plain, the Coromandel coast in the eastern coastal plain, it receives rainfall. Yes, it receives rainfall during the winter months. Okay, we are talking about the Coromandel Coast. The Coromandel Coast in the eastern coastal plain, because where the Coromandel Coast is found, it is found in the eastern coastal plain, and it found in the eastern coastal plain, and it receives rainfall during the winter months. And by the March, yes, by March it begins to get warmer. Okay, by March it begins to get warmer, because which are the main months of winters in the northern India? Yes, November, December, January and February. Okay, so the winter season lasts from November to February every year. So dear children, by March it begins to get warm, and it is neither very hot nor very cold. It is neither hot nor cold, and it is spring time. After the March, we can say that it is a spring time, and the spring paves the way for the hot summer. Okay, it paves the way for the hot summer, and this cycle of season goes on. This cycle of season goes on repeating every year. Okay, so my dear children, this is our winter season. Okay, it starts from November, okay, and continues up to February. Okay, and by the end of the October, the days begin to get shorter, and during winters we can say that during winters the days are shorter and the nights are longer. But I told you in the summer months, okay, in the summer season the days are longer, and the nights are shorter. That is the opposite. Okay, in the summer season days are long but the nights are short. But in the winter season days are shorter and the nights are longer. So this is the difference between summer season and the winter season, because that is the one reason behind this. By the end of the October, by the end of the October, the days begin to get shorter. The days begin to get shorter and the nights become longer. And that is one of the main reason. The rays of the sun get inclined. Okay, it may be horizontal or it may be vertical. The rays of the sun get inclined. Okay, and as a result the air starts getting cool. The air starts getting cool, and this is the beginning of the winter season. Okay, and this marks the beginning of the winter season, and the winter season lasts from November to February every year. So dear children, we have discussed in this chapter what is weather, what is climate, and what are the various factors that affects the climate of a place. And I told you earlier what are the various factors that affects the climate of a place. Yes, distance from the equator, places near the sea, and height of the place. And we have already discussed about what is weather, what is climate, and what are the three main seasons of India: the summer season, the rainy season and the winter season. Okay, these are the three main seasons of India: the summer season, the rainy season and the winter season. The summer, which are the summer months in the northern part of India? Yes, the summer months are generally, it starts from April to June. Okay, April, May and June. The summer months in India: April, May and June. Okay, and we can say that May is the quite warmer month, okay, of the northern India, and June is the hottest month of the northern part of India. Yes, we can say that June is the hottest month of the northern part of India. And number two, we have discussed about the monsoon season, okay, and we can say that the rainy season. Okay, what are the main months of the rainy season? Rainy season start from July, okay, and we can say that uh, it may be sometimes in the month of June. Okay, it starts from June to continues up to September. July, August and September, these are the three main rainy months of the northern part of India: July, August and September. And what about winter season? Winter season, we can say that January is the coldest month of the northern part of India. January is the coldest month of the northern part of India, and the days, we can say that days are very short and the nights are longer. Okay, but in the summer season, days are longer and the nights are shorter. Okay, so dear children, in India, we have different kind of landforms like mountains, like plateaus, like deserts. All these are the landforms. Okay, and today we have discussed about the climate of India.